Hello and welcome to your Glow course with me, Priya. We are focusing on the muscles of the neck and jawline so that we can tone and tighten the neck region, reduce the jowls that form when your skin sags below your jaw, and make the overall area smoother to lift your face and give definition to your neck and jawline. Place your palms on the side of your neck and move your palms towards the back of your neck in a back and forth pumping motion 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now place one hand on your chest, gently lift your chin. Use the other hand and stroke your neck upwards 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's switch hands and repeat. Rub your palms together and place on your face line with your thumbs along your jaw. Rest your elbows on your chest and relax your neck. Place your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Keep breathing and slowly open your upper jaw, taking 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 5 seconds. Tongue stays at the roof of the mouth. Now slowly lower your jaw, taking 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Move your ear to your right shoulder. Stick your tongue towards the floor. Inhale, exhale. Now let's do it on the other side. Ear to your left shoulder. Stick your tongue out. Inhale, exhale. Center, relax.